Hi guys, I'm back with another easy recipe and today we are making Turkish milk cake. If you like just milk cake, you'll definitely like this recipe. We'll start with taking a clean and dry bowl. Then add 4 eggs and start beating it with a beater. We'll add few drops of vanilla essence. Now we'll add sugar in 3 portions. When your batter start making ribbons like this, now it's the time we'll add our plain flour to this mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and mix gently without removing the air bubbles from the egg mixture. So cake batter is ready. Line your cake mold with only parchment paper. Don't oil it, otherwise it's not going to rise and your cake will collapse. Now use a toothpick to take out all the air bubbles from the mixture. Bake this cake at 160 centigrade for around 25 to 30 minutes. Cool it down for 5-10 minutes, then remove it from the cake pan and place it on a wire rack. Take a pan, add half cup of brown sugar and melt it on a slow flame and constantly moving your pan, otherwise your sugar will burn. When your sugar is melted, then add 1.5 cup of milk. Then take 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour and mix it with a little milk and add it to this boiling mixture and cook until it thickens. And when your caramel is cooled down, then we start decorating our cake. We'll take half cup of milk, add 3 tablespoons of caramel sauce in it and pour this milk on the both sides of our cut cake. Then add 1 layer of caramel in the middle of the cake. Now we'll start decorating our cake by applying caramel all over the cake and cover the sides as well. And all the sides are covered properly with the caramel. Now we'll take whipped cream. Remember, don't add any sugar. Our caramel is so sweet, so we'll balance the sweetness of caramel with the whipped cream. Make lines with whipped cream on the cake and make a design with a toothpick as shown in the video. Take biscuits and pound it in mortar and pestle and cover all the sides of cake with this biscuit mixture. Refrigerate this cake for at least 2-3 hours so that the caramel and cream sets properly. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in comments and eat with joy. See you next time.